Simultaneous equations. In this lesson, we will be going through what are simultaneous equations, and then we'll be solving them using elimination method. Just a quick feedback from last lesson. I've noticed people could now find out the sector area and the arc length. However, people having difficulties to find out the angle provided the sector area arc length. I will be giving revision questions later where I will be providing models how to actually how to solve them. Here are the answers to last lesson's worksheet. Here is today's 5 for 5 starter. Press pause and attempt the question on a piece of paper or an exercise book. Once completed, press play to check your answer. Here are the answers. Now, a quick bar model question before we start with simultaneous equations. What's the value of one yellow bar in each of the diagram? As you can see, the blue one, the value of the blue bar is 4. So 19 take away 4 will give us 15. 15 as the yellow bars are exactly the same in value. 15 divided by 3 would give us 5 each. Using this as an example, can you find out the value of the yellow bar in the next two questions? Press pause now. Here are the answers for your reference. In this case, it would be 23 take away 5, and then divided by 2. 23 take away 5 is 18. 18 divided by 2 gives us the value 9. Simultaneous equations are two equations with two unknowns. They're called simultaneous because they must be solved at the same time. All right, let's look at our first example. Here we have two equations and two unknowns x and y, and they have to be used together at the same time to solve them. Hence, they're called simultaneous equations. A quick description using the bar model. First one is 4x plus y equal to 17. I got 4 bars of x and 1 bar of y based on the first equation. Similarly, the bar model for the second one is 2x plus y equal to 11, 2 bars for x and 1 bar for y, which is equal to 11. Notice I want to eliminate. At the beginning of the video, as mentioned, we're going to eliminate to solve the simultaneous equation. By subtracting them, which in this case will cancel the 2 bars of x and y on both sides, will give us 2 bars of x, which is equal to 6, which means x would be equal to 3 because 6 divided by 2. Once we got the value of x, which is equal to 3, I'm taking the first one, representing the bar model. We know the value of x is 3. I can substitute it. And now we can easily find the value of y. 3 times 4, which gives us 12. 17 take away 12 is 5. Hence, the value of y is equal to 5. Using this as an example, please attempt this question on a piece of paper or an exercise book. Press pause now. Here are the answers. I represent them as a bar. Remember, I'm subtracting them. Aligning them in the same position is very important. Aligning it on the left makes the x and the y's along the similar line and is easier to cancel. which gives us 2 bars of y versus 3, value of y is 3, substituting it into the first equation, which gives us x equal to 2x equal to 6, which means x is equal to 4. Now let's look at the algebraic method, because it's not possible to draw the bar model every time if we increase the value of x or y more than 10. Let's see algebraically how we can solve them. Now, here we notice the number of x's or coefficient of x's are exactly the same. And I want to eliminate x because the coefficient of x is the same. And I can only eliminate by subtracting the equation in this case, which gives us 2x take away 2x, which is 0x. 5y take away 3y is 2 lots of y, which is equal to 6. Now dividing by 2 on both sides gives us y equal to 3. Substituting in the first equation the value of y, 5 times 3 gives us 15. You can rearrange this to solve or find the value of x. Hence the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 3. I can check the validity of this of these answers by substituting in the second equation 2 times x, 2 times 4, which is 8, 3 times y, or 3 times 3, which is 9. 8 add 9 definitely gives us 17. Using this as a reference, please try this question on a piece of paper or exercise book. Press pause now. Notice here the coefficients of y's are the same. However, one is take away, one is add. They're different signs. If I just add the equations, 4x add 2x, which is 6x, minus 3y add 3y cancels each other. I'm not subtracting them as they're different signs. I've just added them because by adding the equations, it will eliminate a variable. And it's very important. You need to know when to add or subtract. 6 lots of x equal to 12, which means x is equal to 2. Substituting the value of x in the equation, unrearranging, we get minus 3y equal to minus 15. Dividing by minus 3 gives us y equal to 5. Using the examples provided, please open the simultaneous equation lesson 1 worksheet. You need to show the working out clearly. It is important you show whether you're adding or subtracting to eliminate the variable. For example, in this case, the coefficient of y is the same. If I add them, I will not be able to eliminate them because 3y plus 3y, which gives you 6y. Hence, I need to subtract. If you're not sure, please go back to the video or use the attached YouTube video for more reference. Good luck.